Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna go to this awesome park. Yay! It is so beautiful. That's me riding on a bike. And that's my little baby brother riding on a scooter. Those are the birds are going on the trees. Look how much dandelions are there. Wow. And we have some like maze kind of stuff thingies. And yeah, there's a lot of dandelions here. That's actually a lot. And that is a whole bunch of dandelions. That's me just sitting on the bench. Sing, hello, fish. Sing, sing, sing. You come back here. Now we're gonna go this way. Sing. Wait. We're gonna go this way.
You're here. You are here.
Okay, mommy? So we gotta go this way. Okay. Now we're gonna go this way where the map shows. We're gonna go this way first. Now we're gonna cross the bridge. Look at that lake. Or maybe it's a river. So cool. Whoa. Oh, wow. Oh, that's a fishing spot. That's me, and I'm doing a race. I gave my baby brother a head start. Let's see who wins. Okay, the trees are awesome. Oh, this is me coming back. And I won. And all trees have names. All these trees. Which is a lot of trees. And they have very weird names, like Scarlet Oak. And that big tree. And that pond is actually cool and it's flowing. Oh look, it's a broken tree. Poor tree. Yep, we see a broken tree. That's a tall one. Those are also tall. These trees are tall. Now we're at the fishing pond on the other side. This is the thing that's where you go fishing. There's bluegill, channel fish, and largemouth bass. And this is the pond. And I can't see any fish though. Oh, there's a fish. I see one. Oh, I see a lot of them. Oh, look, goose. Oh, it flew away. Oh, look at the sun. It's bright. It also looks cool. Is that they did? Oh, look. It is tadpoles. No, those are fish. Oh, look, it's a cabin. We're going back to home and we saw this cabin. This is me blowing some... What is that? Look at this. I don't know what I'm blowing, but I'm blowing stuff. Flies off with the seed and plants another seed. More. There's a lot of seeds here. These holes are making the seeds go up here. Bing. These will plant. So my mom hid some eggs eggs, not like eggs, like a half of egg, and hit it around here. There's 3. So who finds the most wins. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, it's right here.
There's one right here. These are where Okay, John, there's some mulch area, so let's find them. Jeez, these.
What is it?
One more hint.
Sí, look at them.
Look around. That's a word. No one?
No.
Oh, God, I found one! I found it first, though. Sorry. It might be on the tree branches now.
Wow.
2 of them are in the bushes.
What bushes?
Oh, those bushes!
No, it's not this bushes.
No! Where is that other egg?
The last one.
There was.
Inside here?
Well, it's gotta be inside here.
I'm stepping on it.
You're stepping on it?
Time to step.
I see none. 1 minute. They might be. You need to rock something like that. Because there's a lot.
Huh? I see.
Where? What? Okay. Maybe. It's only here, you know. Oh, I found one! Okay, we both won. High five. We both won, baby. Okay, hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.